Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network, and in this video you will see that how to reverse a number. That is, if input is 325, so output would be 523. Now if you see the program, so it has 7 lines of code, in which first line is num is equal to 325. It means num refers 325. Second line is rnum is equal to 0. It means rnum refers 0. Now the third line is while loop. While loop is a compound statement, and it is not a single line of a statement. However, it contains 3 more lines, in which first line is digit, which refers num modulus operator 10, and second line inside while loop rnum, where rnum is reverse number, refers rnum multiplied by 10 plus digit, and num is equal to num divided by 10. It means num refers num divided by 10. Now see that if you see the condition for while loop, so while num not equal to 0, it means control will enter inside while loop if num is not equal to 0. See that to understand program very clearly, I have made a table which shows updated values of variables and expressions. So if you see the updated variables and expressions, so you will understand program line by line. So see that first column is iteration number, second is num not equal to 0, third is digit equal to or refers num modulus operator 10, fourth line is rnum equal to rnum multiplied by 10 plus digit, and fifth column is num is equal to num divided by 10. So you will see that values of these 4 variables or expressions will get updated. So if you see the first iteration, so value of num is not 0 because it is 325. So num not equal to 0, that means true. So control will enter inside while loop, and what will happen? First time digit will refer 5, and what will happen? Rnum, so rnum is 0, so 0 into 10 plus 5, so finally r will refer 5, and num is equal to num upon 0, that means num will refer 32. In the second iteration, again the value of num is not 0, so control will enter inside while loop. It means num not equal to 0 is true. Now see that the value of digit would be 2 in the second iteration, and rnum, which would be 5 into 10 plus 2, that would be 52, and num will become 3. Now again if you see that in third iteration, so value of num is not equal to 0, so that is true. Now what will digit become? It will become 3, and rnum reverse number, actually it is, so it will become 523, and now the value of num would be 0. So if you see the fourth iteration, so num not equal to 0 would be false because the value of num is 0, and the control will not enter inside while loop. So the final value of R num would be 523. And if you see the statement, line number 7, so print R num. So that would be the output of the program. That means 523. So input was 325 and output is 523. So this was the program to reverse a number.